Welcome back to another episode of Simple Builds, guys. This is an extremely special video. We have another transformation video going down today, and this is for a subscriber of mine that had crashed his car. So I hit him up. We're gonna fix his car for free. It's here. I got the car delivered to me last night, as you can see here, and we're ready to get started. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around how the car sits right now, and we're gonna jump right into the transformation process. So here we go. Alright, boys and girls.
Say goodbye to your bump. Ooh. Yeah. Perfect. Yep. Headlighters out. You are smart.
Bend in your frame.
Big and loose.
Try that. Yeah, definitely. No. This is so stupid.
Coming out of it, but then you
I made it, baby. I made it, baby. There you go, YouTube.
Over the camera.
Okay guys, Louis is about to show up. The Honda is all done, so we're about to show you guys his reaction to the car. He's gonna see it for the first time since it's been wrecked. This was a gift from his mother, and this car means a lot to him, so I was super excited to be able to help out and help him get this car fixed up. So I hope you enjoyed the 10-minute build, but we're gonna show you guys what the car looks like right after we show you guys Louis' reaction. He's about to pull up. Here we go. Louis is here. He better be shutting his eyes. Watch this car on your right. I don't want to rebuild this one too. All right, open up. Surprise! What's up, man? Good to see you. Don't turn around. All right, bro. All this work leads up to this moment. You ready?
Thank you, man.
Yeah, man. You got it. You got it, bro. All right, check it out.
Damn! Holy yo! I gotta give you another hug, man.
I got you, bro.
Word.
I got you, bro.
And for everybody that's watching too, man, make sure you follow, subscribe to this guy, for real, because like I've watched him do a couple cars already, and this is crazy, man, for real. Better than Pimp My Ride, though, like I said.
I
Send all the love to this guy right here, man.
Thanks, bro. All right, guys, so that's a wrap on this video. The car came out pretty sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe. You could be next.